here. Today we will be doing Cebuano lesson. We are just going to do some random stuff. I'm heading to Costco, so the lesson will be about just random stuff. So let's get this video going, and if this is your first time watching Aurora's vlog, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Okay, here we go. So let's begin. Where are you going? Asa ka mo adto? Asa means where. Ka like you, adto where you going, like what place you're going. Asa ka mo adto? Asa ka mo adto? Where are you going? My response to that, I'm going grocery shopping. Mamalit ko og mga pagkaon. Mamalit, like mamalit means shopping. Pagkaon, food. Mga, like, is floral. Mamalit ko og mga pagkaon. What are you going to buy? Unsay imong mga paliton? What are you going to buy? Unsay imong mga paliton? Unsay imong mga paliton? I think I'm going to get some fish. Paminaw nako murag mupalit ko og isda. Paminaw nako murag mupalit ko og isda. What else? Unsa pa? Unsa pa? Are we there yet? Hapit na ba ta? Hapit na ba ta? What's the name of the store? Unsay pangalan sa tindahan? Unsay pangalan sa tindahan? What means in Cebuano is unsa. Name, pangalan. Store, tindahan. Unsay pangalan sa tindahan? Costco is the name of the store. Costco ang pangalan sa tindahan. Costco ang pangalan sa tindahan. It's very traffic. Traffic kaayo. Traffic kaayo. I forgot my reading class. Nakalimot ko sa akong anti-yuhos. Anti-yuhos means reading class. Reading class. What day is today? Unsang adlaw karon? Unsang adlaw karon? What time is it now? Unsa ng orasa karon? Unsa ng orasa karon? Are we still in the highway? Naa pa bata sa highway? Naa pa bata sa highway? No, we are not. Wala na. Wala na. Wala na. Why are we stopping? Nganong mihunong ta? Nganong mihunong ta? Why are we stopping? Nganong mihunong ta? How hot it is right now in Arizona? Unsa kainit? Init means hot. Init can also relate to hot food. Init nga pagkaon. How hot it is right now in Arizona? Unsa kainit? How hot? Unsa kainit karon now? And here in Arizona, dire sa Arizona. Dire is here sa Arizona. Unsa kainit karon dire sa Arizona? We are here. Miabot na ta. Miabot na ta. There's a lot of people here. Daghan kaayong tao dinhi. Daghan kaayo tao dinhi. Okay, I'm going in. Okay, musulod nako. Musulod nako. I am done shopping at Winko. Nahuman nako og shopping sa kumpra sa Winko. Okay, kumpra in English is shopping. So, I would have to say I'm done shopping at Winko. Human ako og pangumpra sa Winko. Kumpra means shopping. Humana. Human means Done. I'm done shopping at Winko. Human ako og shopping sa Winko. Human ako og shopping sa Winko. Let's go home. Manguli na ta. Manguli na ta. Be careful driving or be safe driving. Pagmatngon sa imong pagmaneho. Be careful driving. Pagmatngon sa imong pagmaneho. Maneho means driving. Pagmatngon, be careful or watch out. I need to hurry home. Gikinahanglan ko magdali mo uli. Magdali means hurry. Uli, go home. I need to hurry home. I need to hurry home. Gikinahanglan, like I need. Ko, me. Magdali, hurry up. Gikinahanglan ko magdali mo uli. I need to hurry home. Gikinahanglan means I need. Need. Kinahanglan. Gikinahanglan ko. I need to hurry home. Gikinahanglan ko ang pagdali mo uli. I need to hurry home. Cause I need to cook. Kay. Gikinahanglan ko magluto. The road is nice. Nindot ang kalsada. The road is nice. Nindot ang kalsada. Tomorrow is Friday. Biyernes ugma. Biyernes means Friday. Ugma means tomorrow. Biyernes ugma. Friday is my Monday. Biyernes ang akong Lunes. Biyernes ang akong Lunes. There is an accident ahead. Adunay aksidente sa unahan. There is an accident ahead. It's right there. There's another one right there. Adunay aksidente sa unahan. There is an accident ahead. There is an accident ahead. Adunay aksidente sa unahan. I hope it's not going to rain. Manghinaot. Manghinaot means I hope. Manghinaot ko nga dili mo ulan. Ulan means rain. Dili means no. I hope it's not going to rain. Manghinaot ko nga dili mo ulan. Come ride with me. Dali, sakay ka nako. Come means dali. Dali, like come. Or come here. Dali. So, when you want to say, come ride with me. Dali, sakay ka nako. Dali, sakay means ride. Ka nako. Ride with me. With me. Kanako. Dali, come. Ride, sakay. With me, kanako. Dali, sakay kanako. Come ride with me. Do you want to know? Gusto mo bang mahibalo? Mahibalo means know, to know. Gusto like. Do you like to know? Gusto mo bang mahibalo? Do you like to know? Would you like me to teach you? Gusto mo ba ako mo tudlo? Nimo tudlo means teaching, teach. Gusto like. Gusto mo. Would you like me? Gusto mo ba ako mo tudlo? To teach. Mo tudlo. To teach you. Mo tudlo nimo. Nimo means like directly to the second person you're talking to. Nimo. Would you like me to teach you? Gusto mo ba akong mutudlo nimo? Mutudlo nimo. To teach you. Nimo you. Gusto mo bang? Would you like? Would you like? Gusto mo bang? Would you like me to teach you how to drive? Gusto mo bang mutudlo ko nimo og unsaon pag-drive? Unsaon how drive? Unsaon pagmaneho drive? Unsaon how pagmaneho drive? Gusto mo bang ako mutudlo nimo og unsaon pagmaneho? It's kind of very long and very hard, but if you keep saying it, it's gonna get easier. Gusto mo ba? Would you like to eat? Would you like to eat? Gusto mo bang mukaon? Mukaon, like to eat. Would you? Gusto mo. Would you like? Gusto mo ba? Mukaon, to eat. Would you like to eat? Mukaon. Kaon means eat, but when you say to eat, mukaon. To eat, mukaon. I would like to eat. Gusto ko. I would like ko means I would like to eat. Gusto ko mukaon. Gusto ko mukaon. I would like to eat. Gusto ko mukaon. You see? Just keep saying it over and over and over and over again until you get it. Gusto ko mukaon. I would like to eat. I'm sleepy. Katulgon nako. Katulgon. Tulog means sleep. But when you say you are sleepy, katulgon. Sleepy, katulgon na ako. I'm sleepy. I am very sleepy. Katulgon na kaayo ko. Kaayo means very. Katulgon, sleepy. Katulgon na kaayo ko. I'm very sleepy. Very sleepy. Dili ka maayo means you are not good. You are not good. Dili ka maayo. Maayo means it's good. Dili means no. Kayo. No good are you. No good are you. I'm sorry, I'm teaching you bad things. You are no good. Dili ka maayo. And when you say, you're not nice, pati ka og buot. Buot means kind of like character, you know. Pati means ugly. I don't like your character. I don't like you. Or something like that. Or pati ka og buot. Yeah. And when you say, you are so nice, maayo kaayo ka. So nice is also like very kaayo. So much kaayo. You are so nice. Maayo kaayo ka. See the difference? Maayo kaayo ka. You are so nice. You are very nice. It's the same. You are very nice. Maayo kaayo ka. I am very close to home. Hapit nako duol sa balay. Balay means house or home. Hapit means close. Na ako. I am close to the house. Hapit na ako sa balay. Hapit na ako maabot sa balay. I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer to home. Hapit na ako maabot sa balay. Hapit means closer. Na ako, me. Maabot means arriving. Arriving to home. I'm getting closer to home. Hapit na ako maabot sa balay. I love my small town. It's not crazy. It's very quiet, especially at night. So our neighborhood is so dark. And I gotta tell you a story. I invited my friend to come visit me one of the nights. She didn't realize that our neighborhood there was no, lights at all, every corner. So the funny thing is she grabbed her flashlights from her dashboard. She grabbed it and she was kind of like, shining the street address or the street name, because she said, "Where are you? I can see the street name. There is no street light, so I don't know where you are." So and she was only like a mile from me, from the gate, and it took her about 30 minutes to go round and round and round and round because she can't find me. Poor Vanessa. Yeah. But I love my neighbor. I love where I'm at. I've been here since 2005, and now it's 2020. It's been 15 years, and we have no plan on moving somewhere else. Unless we can afford to go Hawaii. Hawaii is my dream place to move to, but we know that that's not gonna happen. It's just too expensive over there, and with the pandemic right now, it's just hard. And you'll never know. You don't know what's tomorrow's bring. You don't know if you're gonna keep your job or the job will keep you. Who knows? So I'm just living it one day at a time. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching my vlog today. I hope to see you soon, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you for watching, and of course, thank you for subscribing. Bye bye.